Hi, I'm Pam and I love to cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a cream cheese pound cake. I've already got my pan ready. I have put a preparation in here which consists of equal parts flour, Crisco, and oil. And I keep it in a jar in the refrigerator, so whenever I'm going to make a cake, I have it ready. First of all, you put your oven on whatever temperature the recipe calls for. With this cake, it calls for 250 degrees for 1 hour, and then you bake it at 300 degrees for another hour. So this cake takes 2 hours to make. And you put a pan of water in your oven on the bottom rack so that it makes the steam in the oven to help cook the cake and make it very moist. This is an old-fashioned cream cheese pound cake that my husband's mother used to make. First of all, we're going to take our ingredients, which are 2 sticks of butter, a stick of margarine, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. We cream this mixture of butter, cream cheese, and margarine until it gets very creamy. After the butter, margarine, and cream cheese are creamy and have creamed together, you take 3 cups of sugar and you add it to the creamed mixture a little at a time. You cream the butter and the cream cheese mixture together with the sugar until it's very light and fluffy. The mixture is very light and fluffy, so now I'm going to add 6 eggs one at a time until it's mixed together. The eggs have mixed into the creamed mixture nicely, and we're going to add our extracts. We're going to use vanilla extract, which I have made using brandy and fresh vanilla beans. You put a teaspoon. You put a teaspoon of vanilla. And the very good thing that happens to this cake is the almond extract. That brings out the most wonderful flavor. And I use an almond extract that I got from King Arthur flour. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. Do not scrimp on your extracts. Buy everything pure or either make it yourself. We will mix this in together. The last thing to add is the flour. This is a very simple cake. It goes together very quickly. The secret to it is to use all room temperature ingredients. Make sure your butter, your margarine, and your cream cheese and your eggs are all at room temperature, and they mix together better. When you're making a cake, you want to mix in your flour, but don't mix it too long because you'll make a tough cake. So you just want to add your flour gradually, mix it until the flour is incorporated, and then put it in your pan. It's important to scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure everything is mixed together. Once the batter has mixed in the mixer, you need to scrape the paddle. Get all the batter off of it, and then mix the batter in the bowl to make sure there's nothing on the bottom that didn't get mixed together. Then you add it to your pan. The cake is ready to go into the 250 preheated oven for 1 hour. Then we will turn the oven up to 300 after that first hour and bake it for another hour at 300. The cream cheese pound cake is out of the oven, and my house smells like almonds and vanilla. The cake is beautiful, it's ready to eat, and enjoy.